Good morning. This is gonna be very awkward. But yeah, finally I started vlogging. It's my first day. It's just a random morning. I have to get up, make some eggs, go get some chicken and rice, and I have veggies. So yeah, let's go do that first. But before we go ahead, first things first. Good morning. One more thing I like to do right after waking up is water. You see, two of my plants, and then there are a few more down here. Like this is lily. Then I don't know what flower is this. I just like it. And these are chilies. Can you see? Purple chilies. So let's water them. You see this? That's minoxidil 5%. This is the first thing I use in the morning. Well, so minoxidil is actually used for a lot of hair growth or hair regrowth treatments. It's prescribed for both men and women. Usually, women after a certain age they start losing their hair, and in men it's very common. The male pattern baldness, if you see, where receding of your hairlines from here or the entire bald patch or at the bottom. So this minoxidil is prescribed for all those cases. That being said, if you're someone like me who struggles with growing a beard, you can also put this on your mouth. That's it. This is something I use in the morning, a basic ass Nivea face wash. मुंह धो लिया, बाल सवार लिया. Just essential supplements that at least I use, regardless if you're a bodybuilder or no, regardless if you're into fitness as much as me or not. Okay, so let's go. First thing, we have multivitamin because your body doesn't get enough vitamins through food. Second is probiotics. This is again for your gut health. When you eat as much as I do, or when you eat a huge portion, enhance your gut's performance. So this helps with that. This helps with cleaning your guts and even pushing food out. And next is vitamin D3. Fun fact, I'm actually, even though I'm a bodybuilder and everything, I'm still iron deficit. Like, yeah, such a fucking basic thing to have, right? I take these twice a day. This is 5000 IU. So I take one in the morning and one before sleeping. And next is, again, this is flaxseed oil. This is again for omega-3 and all the other essential fatty acids. So again, this is an alternative to cod liver oil. I don't use cod liver oil because I get a lot of pimples from it. So with flaxseed oil also I get pimples, but then it's just not as much as cod liver oil. Then next something is again this basic ass supplement biotin, which I take for my hair. So this is Udiliv 300. This again is pretty good when it comes to protecting your liver from all the damage that gear or steroids will make on it. And this is again another supplement for hair. This is finasteride. I wouldn't recommend this for everyone because a lot of people react differently to this. The next up is Provironorm or Provibol. Some people might know this as. So this is a mild test booster, you can say. I take this in the morning so that I just get the system kicking and all. I don't really know the science behind this. Well, this is also prescribed to people with ED. I don't have it, but I just thought good piece of information for you guys. And next is this is digestive enzymes. So this, what it does is it improves your digestion in your stomach and also improves your gut health alongside. Do you know what this is? Thyro 3. This is T3. Read about this. Do not take it. Stay the fuck away from this.
No! God, please, no! No!
This is what my morning meds or stack looks like. Well, Now that I'm done with supplements and kind of dressed up, it's time to go get some chicken. So I try to get my meat in the morning itself, but as you guys know, the scene with beef is pretty bad. So I have to wait till evening-ish so that I can order beef. But apart from that, we can at least go get chicken. And right now I'm stocked on eggs, so I won't be getting eggs right away. Yeah, usually in the mornings I go get fresh chicken and eggs as well. Oh fuck. This is a beautiful. About cooking, okay, so what I do is in morning I have one meal which is I think 10 egg whites, one whole egg and oats. Yeah, I drink 10 egg whites and then I just boil one whole egg. I wouldn't recommend anyone else to drink it because I have a pretty good digestive system and not everyone can digest raw egg whites. That's chicken, then that's our eggs. Then what else we need? We need rice, which we are almost out of. Next is oats, but not this one. This one is in my pantry and it's still not open. Yeah, there you go. So, oats, chicken, eggs, rice. Let's get cooking. I kind of fucked up. First things first. I started making my food and I realized that I'm out of egg whites. So I guess I'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. I gotta eat the whole eggs. Yeah, so we're boiling 4 eggs right now and I'm spicing my chicken at the same time. Open your eyes, no, show me your eyes. No, he's not blind, he's just lazy. While the eggs are boiling, what we're gonna do is we're gonna spice this chicken. Because no one fucking eats chicken bland, right? Boil your chicken, get it cleaned. So first things first, salt. And I don't really count the salt that I take in because we take it, because it's a lot to keep track of, to be honest. So I just sprinkle it as per the quantity and as per the taste. Then second thing is, this is paprika. This is again another chili. I like using paprika sometimes, but usually I prefer going for peri peri. Is the tiny taste that I go for. Something that I've learned over the years is use a lemon. Because when you're eating chicken in this much quantity, it needs to be a little soft every time you chew on it. So I think lemon does the job, and I don't squeeze like a whole lemon in it. I just use half of it. Basic ass black pepper, but I use the grinder one. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Cool, so this is what the chicken looks like with everything in. Now, we're gonna mix it and wait for a while for the eggs to be done. Yeah, I'm just waiting right now for my eggs to get done so that I can put the chicken in the pan and then get that toasted. I haven't vlogged so far or done any sort of such social media experiment like creating a diary of your own, a video diary or any of that sort. It's because I don't get enough time. So as an athlete, I'm training in order to compete at a certain point in my life, like in a few months from now. And second is I have a job as well. So video recording, video editing, it takes a lot of time. Like it's a lot of efforts. But now why I'm finally starting this is because I think I can outsource editing. So all I have to do is just record and send the man all my videos. It's 17th June, and I don't know when this vlog will come out. But then it's 17th June right now, and I'm currently 1 week into the prep, or you can say 1 week into my hardcore training with gear and everything. So yeah, if my body looks shit, that's because I was on a big fucking break for past 2 months, and I'm finally getting back on track. Diet is kind of on point, training is on point. Yeah, I should be looking better by the time this vlog comes out. Like, I should be more chiseled, there should be more definition, there would definitely be more muscle mass, and yeah, very less water retention and fat. So starting cooking, right now I'm just using liquid olive oil because I'm out of spray, and yeah, when I'm prepping I use spray oil, but then right now I think it should be fine. Yeah, so this is let's say crushed onions and tomato. I like this in my pretty much every food that I eat. From this for the chicken to lay on. Well, this is gonna take a while to get ready. But on the side we have our eggs. So chicken is being cooked. By the time it's getting done, peeled my eggs. Yeah, whatever. Peeled and salted them. Now we gotta add some oats. See, nothing fancy, okay? Just plain stupid eggs. Gotta add 50 grams. Yeah. I think I might keep this vlog a little short and just do what I do in the mornings. And yeah, maybe some other day I'd do like a full day of eating, or a day in the life. Fun fact, there's also cardio supposed to be involved, which I'm currently not been doing. Yeah, my trainer hates me for that. I do cardio post workout, but then yeah, I'm supposed to do cardio early morning, empty stomach. We will be training twice in a day. Once one cardio session in the morning, and then lifting or training session with Viv. It's almost done though. Yeah. So yeah, this is me now. Wait, I didn't show you my workplace. So that's laptop and another monitor. And yeah, I am that person who works from a couch because I have to eat and work at the same time. So hey guys, I think that will be it for today because I don't really have a lot of stuff planned to shoot, but I think this should be good enough for video 1. And yeah, I will be, as I said earlier, I will be doing more of vlogging now. And stay tuned. Maybe if you have any suggestions, if there's something that you want to know about me, or some things that how I do it or how I execute it, if you want to know, do let me know in the comments. So like, share and subscribe definitely, yeah, because YouTube, man, you gotta do it. Okay, cool then, peace out.